Hi! In this short video, we're going to look at how you can leverage CodeScene in your weekly stand-up meetings. We recommend bringing up CodeScene once or twice a week, and once you're familiar with the process, you'll have full situational awareness in under 30 seconds. So what we've done is we brought up CodeScene. We're looking at the last month, and we're going to filter by our team. So in this case, let's say we're in the query team. You can see the trends have changed. So the idea is that we want to maintain good code health, and we don't want things to get worse. If you do see dips, such as the one here, you simply as a team click on the data point to see which files were modified, contributing to an overall code health degradation, just to be aware of. Similarly, you can see when things are heading in the right direction as well. The next step is to understand if there are any active risks, because these are files CodeScene has observed are being worked on regularly, i.e. hotspots, and they're declining in code health and becoming more expensive to maintain. The next step is to mitigate these risks by clicking View List. Here, we'll plan a goal. We'll choose Supervise, and now, once we click Save, following the next analysis run, this will be removed as an active risk and will only reappear as a missed goal if the file continues to head in the wrong direction. And that's it. We're making sure very quickly that we're not making the code health worse, and if so, understanding why. We've mitigated any active risks. And, if time allows, check out the latest improvement section to celebrate the refactoring wins of your team.